It doesn't matter. It doesn't
That's
matter.
all that matters. I'm an offside, take to orders.
So what? You harder who than me.
So I'm an offside, take to orders.
To that you take illegal order.
Three-star general.
Okay.
I can't say no. That means
You can never develop this property. I will not allow it.
No problem, sir.
I'm
only acting on my
orders.
If
you want to kill everybody, kill everybody.
We will not kill
You
anybody,
cannot.
sir. We will not. We will not kill anybody, sir.
You put yourself in trouble.
We will not.
My friend, you see, what is that?
You cannot shut me up. No, you cannot shut me up. You are my senior. You cannot even talk when I'm talking. Because
I have to reach you.
you're only graduated. I'll be talking and policemen will be talking.
Hey, you are taking with us. You don't have any.
I'm not to carry security to intimidate worker.